Ever notice how a few smart upgrades can make driving safer, easier, or just more enjoyable? In today's video, we're taking a look at 15 cool car gadgets on Amazon you'll wish you bought sooner. From practical tools for everyday driving to clever accessories that solve problems you didn't even realize you had. All of these picks are designed to add convenience, comfort, or extra functionality to your car, making them great options for drivers who want more out of every trip. 1. If you've ever wanted an easier way to keep track of your speed and driving information without constantly looking down, a heads-up display can help. The Sinotrack Digital GPS Speedometer is designed to project key driving data on a 5.5-inch LCD display, showing your mph speed along with driving time, mileage, direction, and satellite count at the same time. It also includes a built-in compass, an overspeed alarm, and a fatigued driving alert that reminds you to take a break after long driving periods, making it suitable for everyday drivers in a wide range of vehicles. 2. Being stopped on the side of the road can be stressful, especially when you need other drivers to notice you quickly. The Twinkle Star Emergency Roadside Flares Kit is designed to provide visible road warning using LED safety strobe lights for highway and roadside situations. This set includes 4 LED warning flares, each with a magnetic base and a detachable stand so they can be placed on the road surface or attached to a vehicle. The flares come in a solid storage case for organized keeping, and they are intended for use as highway beacon alert lights for added visibility during emergencies, making them suitable for drivers who want an extra safety option to keep in their vehicle. 3. Parking your car under direct sunlight can quickly make the interior uncomfortable and expose surfaces to ongoing heat and sun exposure. The Upgrade Enmoyis Windshield. Sunshade Umbrella is designed to help protect your car from sun rays and heat damage while keeping the interior cooler. It features a vinyl coating heat shield combined with a spring structure edge that allows it to open like an umbrella and fit securely against the windshield. With a medium size of 56 inches by 31 inches, this sunshade is intended to cover the windshield area and help reduce heat buildup, making it suitable for drivers who want added sun protection for everyday parking situations. 4. Sometimes communicating with other drivers from inside your car can be awkward or unclear, especially in busy traffic situations. The hand gesture. Light for Car is a 3-in-1 LED finger light designed to display hand gesture signs on your back window using bright yellow LED lighting. It comes with a remote control that lets you switch between different gesture displays from inside the vehicle, making it easier to change signs as needed. Designed as a back window sign for drivers, this LED light is intended as a fun car accessory and novelty road gadget, and it can be used in cars or trucks by drivers looking to add a visual gesture display to their vehicle. 5. Misplacing everyday items like keys or a wallet can quickly slow down your routine, especially when you're in a hurry. The Reiki Key Finder is an RF item locator system designed to help you find lost items using sound without needing a phone or app. It includes 1 wireless remote transmitter and 4 receiver tags that can be attached to items like keys, wallets, glasses, phones, or even pet collars. With a working range of up to 131 feet, each tag emits an 80 decibel beep and LED light when triggered, making it easier to locate items around the house, and it's suitable for anyone who wants a simple, standalone way to keep track of frequently misplaced belongings. 6. Loose drinks and spills can make your car's cup holders messy and hard to clean over time. The Singaro Car Cup Holder Coaster Set is designed as a silicone cup holder insert that fits into standard car cup holders to help protect the interior. Each coaster is made from flexible silicone with a non-slip surface that helps keep cups stable while driving and catches small spills or condensation. This 4-pack is designed for universal use in many vehicles and can be easily removed for cleaning, making it suitable for drivers who want a simple way to keep their cup holders cleaner and more organized. 7. Cleaning crumbs, dust, or tight spaces in your car or home can be frustrating when full-size vacuums are too bulky to use easily. The Saker Plus Hand-Held Car Vacuum Cordless is designed as a portable handheld vacuum and air duster that combines multiple functions in one compact tool. It features 20,000 PA suction power, cordless operation, and a 4-in-1 design that supports vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and deflating for different cleaning and utility tasks. The unit includes a HEPA filter and an LED display to show operating status, and it comes with multiple attachments to help reach narrow areas, making it suitable for car interiors, home use, and anyone looking for a versatile handheld cleaning solution. 8. Keeping track of important driving information can be distracting when you have to glance down at the dashboard too often. The WII OBD 2-gauge heads-up display is designed to show key vehicle data directly in your line of sight as a car HUD. This smart gauge supports OBD and GPS data, displaying speed, RPM, water temperature, and other driving information on a clear digital screen, along with an overspeed alarm for added awareness. It features multiple interface display options and can be mounted on the dashboard or windshield using the adjustable bracket, making it suitable for most cars and for drivers who want an easier way to monitor vehicle data while staying focused on the road. 9. Driving in snow or icy conditions can be challenging when tires struggle to maintain traction on winter roads. The Koenig CG 9103 snow chains are designed to improve grip by fitting directly onto car tires using a metal chain system with a symmetrical diamond pattern. This set of 2 chains features a 9mm inside and on the tread clearance and uses the Koenig ATC active tensioning system to automatically keep the chains centered and properly tightened while driving. With a micro-adjust system for precise fitting and built-in wheel protection to help reduce contact with metal parts, these snow chains are intended for compatible tire sizes and are suitable for drivers who need added control during winter driving conditions. 10. Leaving valuables in a vehicle can be a concern, especially when you want them stored discreetly and within reach. The Headrest Safe Removable Slide Bundle Headrest Safe is designed to replace a passenger seat headrest and provide a concealed storage option inside your car. It features a key lock, a removable slide design that allows the safe to be taken with you, and a black cloth exterior that blends into the vehicle interior. With a listed capacity of up to 10 pounds and a portable design intended for in-vehicle use, this headrest safe is suited for drivers who want an added storage solution for secured items while traveling. 11. Changing lanes or backing up can feel uncertain when your standard rear-view mirror doesn't show enough of what's behind you. The Joytutus rear-view mirror is a universal 11.81-inch panoramic convex interior mirror designed to clip onto your existing mirror and provide a wider viewing angle. Its convex glass helps reduce blind spots by expanding the rear field of view, and the clip-on design allows for straightforward installation inside the vehicle. Designed for use in cars, SUVs, and trucks, this interior rearview mirror is intended for drivers who want clearer visibility of surrounding traffic and the vehicle interior while driving. 12. Getting a flat tire unexpectedly can disrupt your drive, especially when you need a quick solution to get moving again. The Fix-A-Flat S60410 Aerosol Emergency Flat Tire Repair and Inflator is designed to temporarily repair and inflate compact car tires in emergency situations. It uses an eco-friendly formula and works by simply connecting the nozzle, inflating the tire, and sealing small punctures without removing the tire. With a 12-ounce can and a universal fit for compact cars, this emergency tire repair solution is intended for drivers who want a convenient, portable option to keep in their vehicle for roadside situations. 13. Cleaning large flat surfaces or the underside of outdoor equipment can take extra time when using a standard pressure washer wand. The Ryobi Pressure Washer. Water Broom RY31211 is designed to attach to gas pressure washers and provide a wider, more even cleaning path. It features an 11-inch cleaning width and a wheeled design that helps guide the broom smoothly across surfaces while directing water downward to clear dirt and debris efficiently. Compatible with gas pressure washers up to 3,300 psi, this water broom is intended for outdoor cleaning tasks like driveways, sidewalks, and undercarriage areas, making it suitable for homeowners looking to simplify routine pressure washing jobs. 14. Driving with limited rear visibility or relying only on a standard mirror can make it harder to stay aware of what's happening around your vehicle. The Wolfbox G930 10-inch rear-view mirror camera is designed to replace your existing mirror with a touch-screen display that combines front and rear dash cam recording. It features 4K front and rear cameras with WDR, a rear-view backup camera with reverse assist, built-in GPS, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for connecting to a smartphone. With a parking monitor and an included 64 GB card, this mirror camera system is designed for cars, trucks, buses, and minivans, offering added visibility and recording support for everyday driving. 15. Dealing with a flat tire on the road can be stressful, especially when lifting a vehicle by hand takes time and effort. The eHeap electric car. Jack 3-ton scissor floor. Jackset is designed to help lift a vehicle automatically using a 12-volt power connection for roadside emergencies. This electric scissor jack offers a lifting range from about 4.72 to 14.57 inches and is intended for use with sedans, providing powered lifting at the press of a button. The kit comes as a complete vehicle lift set stored in a carrying case, making it suitable for drivers who want a compact electric lifting solution to keep in their car for emergency tire changes. All of the product links are listed in the description below if you want to take a closer look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like to support the channel and let me know which gadget caught your attention the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.